Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up an OEM set of earbuds. So these earbuds are unbranded and I will potentially have my own brand on some of these earbuds that I will be selling in the future. So without further ado, let's have a quick look into these is in the box. So in the box we've got the charging cable, we've got the earbuds, with some extra ear protection buds there. So we've got these nice beautiful earbuds and we've got the charging case as well as instruction manual. Nothing really fancy, not really well packed. However, this is a budget earphone and as I mentioned, it's OEM. It's unbranded. It's got no brand, and I mean, and you can easily brand one of these as well and have it at a higher quality if you want. So I'm just gonna remove these items here out of the way so we can have a look here into the earphones itself. So looking at the earbuds. They look and feel pretty normal. They are made out of plastic. If we look here, we can see the connectors here for the charging pod. We've got the earbud here, and then we've got this long neck here for the earbud. So they look pretty nice. It's actually pretty alright by the way they look. So let's have a quick look here into the case. So this case has a battery included in it. On the side here we've got a USB-C port to charge the case, and we also have a USB port there if you want to charge something else, which is always good to see. So you can use this as a power bank as well. Opening the case here, we've got an LED indicator there that has the power, etc. We've got the compartments here for the earphones and some lights here that lights up. So as we close, we can see that this has like glass here, so it's actually plastic. It's one of those films that they put on these plastics, so it looks pretty nice. Unbranded, we can actually brand this, put a brand here and market it with the brand. However, I did request this one so I could have a look into have a test and see how it works. So to charge your earphones, basically just insert them into the charging pod like so. So I'll just put both of them, and here it lights up these LEDs here on the side. We've got here indication of the battery percentage, and this is the battery percentage that is available on the case itself. Then we've got the charging indicators here for the earphones. As we close, we also have the lights here. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can. So we've got the indicators here that we can see through the case as well. And you got these eyes, they call it eyes, that we can just enjoy, and it's just fun to look at whilst it's charging. To charge the case, basically just plug in the provided USB cable that comes in the box and connect it to a power source to charge the earphones. Let's go ahead and pair these with my smartphone. I've got the smartphone right here, so what we are going to do is open Bluetooth here. We're going to remove the earphones here from the case, and it's going to search. Here we go. So it has found, so it's the TWS V5.3. We now going to pair, and they are currently paired, and I'm going to place something here and check them out. Okay, so we've got something here to play. Just going to place these in my ears, and I will check out the quality. They fit pretty nicely into the ear. Oh, the quality is... Whoa, I'm surprised now. The quality is actually pretty good. It's got a nice bass. And wow, I'm very surprised because it is working pretty nicely. Let's put the volume up, volume down. Yeah, it's actually working pretty nicely. I like this. Um, so the Bluetooth mode here, it's A to the P1, got 3FP1, etc., etc., and then Bluetooth frequency 2.4 gigahertz. Bluetooth range is between 8 to 15 meters. It's got good battery capacity, and the playtime it's about 2 to 4 hours, and standby time it's about 6 hours. The quality is actually pretty good. And then of course you got the functions: tap once to pause, tap twice to fast forward, etc. So yeah, pretty nice actually. I like these. They have a really good quality, and actually it's better than some of the other earbuds that I've tested. So yeah, I might just advance with these on with my own brands and start branding these. So because they actually look pretty nice. I mean the case is pretty cool, and as we put on the ear buds, I mean, it lights up, etc. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. This is it for this budget earphones. If you're interested in them, I'll leave a link in the description. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.